Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Here is an MDF board with light green as a background and I'm going to use lemon yellow for dotting. Let's get started. I'll start with dotting in the center. I'll keep some more dots. I'll keep side swipes. Now I'll keep some plumpy dots. Now I have to remove this dot. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll keep 2 side swipes. I'll keep some more dots now. I'll keep tiny dots now. I'll keep some dots now. Some more dots now. I'll walk the dots now. Some more dots. I'll walk the dots again. Some more dots now. I'll walk the dots third layer now. I'll keep some brush strokes now. I will keep some more brush strokes now. I'm sure this light green background and lemon yellow came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.